Hello students, we are now in quarter 3, week 8. Our title is Constructing Polygons and Solving Problems Involving Polygons. At the end of the video, you should be able to 1. Construct triangles, squares, regular pentagons, and regular hexagon. 2. Solves problems involving sides and angles of a polygon. Please like, share, and subscribe to Ma'am Des Math Tutorials. Hit the notification bell button to alert you of the latest video lessons. For all questions, comments, and suggestions, please put them down in the comments section below. Let's start from the key concepts on triangles and quadrilaterals. First, triangle. Triangle is a polygon having 3 sides and 3 angles. Triangles can be classified according to angles and sides. For the first one, classification, A, according to angles. So the first one is acute triangle. What do you mean by acute triangle? It is a triangle whose angles are all acute. Look at the illustration. Okay, so for this triangle ABC, as you can see the measure of the triangles, so we have 63 degrees, 47 degrees, and 70 degrees. All these measures are acute angle. Next, right triangle. It is a triangle with a right angle. Again, a triangle with a right angle. Look at this figure. Triangle HIJ. So as you can see, we have the right angle here. Obtuse triangle. What do you mean by obtuse triangle? It is a triangle with an obtuse angle. Illustration. Look at the illustration. We have 30 degrees. Another one, 40 degrees. Next, 110 degrees. Okay, so this angle is an obtuse angle since it is greater than 90 degrees. Next classification is an equiangular triangle. Definition. What do you mean by equiangular triangle? It is a triangle with all angles are congruent. Look at the illustration. It is said all angles are congruent since you can see from the illustration, all of the angles measure 60 degrees. So triangle KJL is an equiangular triangle. The next one, classification according to sides. We have the Iscalin triangle. When you say Iscalin triangle, it is a triangle with no equal sides. Look at the illustration. The sides of these triangles are 5, 3, and 8, or 8, 3, and 5. The triangle GHI have the measure of 5, 3, and 8. So, no sides are equal. Next. Isosceles triangle. What do you mean by isosceles triangle? It is a triangle with 2 equal sides. Illustration. As you can see from this triangle ABC, we have the 2 sides congruent or equal. Sides are 5 and 5. So sides AB and sides AC, the measure is 5. And for side BC, we have 3. Next one is equilateral triangle. It is a triangle with all sides congruent, meaning all sides are equal. Next, look at the illustration. So the measure of each side of this triangle is 4 units. So remember that the sum of the measures of the angle of a triangle is 180 degrees. For the quadrilateral, we know that quadrilateral is a 4-sided polygon. The diagram shows the different kinds of quadrilaterals. First, parallelogram, next, trapezoid, and the third one is trapezium. Okay, for the parallelogram, we have rhombus and rectangle. And then, for rhombus and rectangle, we can have the square. Okay? So, meaning square composed of rhombus and rectangle. Next, for the trapezoid, we can have isosceles trapezoid. Okay, so let's find out the meaning or definition of each quadrilateral. Parallelogram. It is a quadrilateral with two pairs of opposite sides that are parallel. Next, rhombus. We have, it is a parallelogram with four congruent sides. Next, rectangle. It is a parallelogram with four congruent angles. Each interior angle measures 90 degrees. Look at the illustration. Square. It is a parallelogram with four congruent sides and four congruent angles. So again, square, as you can see from the illustration, it has four congruent angles and four congruent sides. Trapezoid. It is a quadrilateral with only one pair of opposite sides that are parallel. Again, quadrilateral with only one pair of opposite sides that are parallel. Let's find out which is the parallel side. So, ito po yun. Here is the parallel sides of this trapezoid. Next, isosceles trapezoid. It is a trapezoid whose non-parallel sides are congruent. Okay, so look at the illustration. Again, it is a trapezoid whose non-parallel sides are congruent. The next one, or the last one, trapezium. It is a quadrilateral with no pair of opposite sides that are parallel. No opposite sides that are parallel. Okay, remember that the sum of the measures of the angle of any convex quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Okay, let's proceed to lesson 1, which is constructing polygons. Geometric constructions involve drawing geometric shapes that satisfy certain requirements using a straight edge or ruler, protractor, and compass, as you can see from the pictures at the right. Okay, we are going now to construct the following polygons. First, we have the triangle. Second, square. Third, regular pentagon. Fourth, regular hexagon. Construct a triangle ABC such that sides are line segment AB is equal to 3 centimeters, line segment BC is equal to 5 centimeters, and line segment AC is equal to 4 centimeters. Okay? The first thing that you are going to do is to construct this side BC is equal to 5 centimeters. Okay, now, so draw the sides. So here is our 5 centimeter sides. Label this with point P and then point C. Okay, let us draw the side AB, which is 3 centimeters. So, set up natin si compass with 3 centimeters. And then from B, let us make an arc. Okay. And then from C, let us make side 4 centimeters. So, set up si compass with a length of 4 centimeters. So, from point C. And now, label it with point A. And then, connect now AB. So, which is 3 centimeters. And this one, AC, with 4 centimeters. And this one, with 5 centimeters. Here's now. Construct a square having 4 centimeters as length of each side. So first, use the ruler. Locate the 4 centimeters. Let us make a line segment. Okay, here's your 4 centimeters. Okay, and then extend it to the right. This is point A. This one is point B. And now, with the use of compass, let us make an arc. The two arcs in, so any setup of your compass or any length of your compass. Okay, make an arc to the left of B and to the right of B. Okay, do not move your setup of compass. So this one is M and the other one is N. Okay, so next, any set of your compass again, make an arc above B. Then, same setup again. Then the tip must be in point M. Make an arc. Okay. So label this as point O. And then, draw perpendicular from O to point B. Okay, connect the points in point O and point B. Connect the points in point O and point B. Next, set up again your compass with same length of A and B. Okay, and then from this point B, make an arc above B. Then label it with C. And then again, from point A, so same length of AB, make an arc above A. And then from C, make again an arc to the left of C. And then mark this as D. And now connect line segment AD okay, and connect line segment DC. And here is now our square. Construct a regular pentagon with 6 cm as the length of each side. Okay, first, you have to draw line segment 6 centimeters. Okay. And then label this as point A. This one is point B. Next. So draw 108 angles at A and B. Next, draw an angle of 108 in angle A and B. So, here is one side of your angle. So, must be pointing at 0. And then 108. Okay, pointing at 0, the one side of your angle. And then locate the 108. So, look at the red label. So, this is 110. and therefore it must be before 110. So this one is 100, 105, and then count of 6, 7, and then we have 8. Okay, so again, it's 108. Ayan. Now, connect the sides. Now, connect the points. Okay. And then, also at B, make an angle of the measure of 108. So, from 0 again, pointing one side of your angle. Okay. And so 0, and then locate for 108. So, it is 110. Okay. 6, 7, and then 8. And then, connect the points. Okay, next. The next one, using your compass, must be same width of line segment AB. So at 8, make an arc. At B, make an arc again. Label this one as point C and this one as point E. Next, same setup. So again, it must be in 6 centimeters. Okay. So same setup. So from point E, make an arc. And then from point C, make an arc again. And now label that point as point D. And now connect the sides of your pentagon. So line segment DE. Again, connect line segment DE. Okay, and the other one, line segment CE. Okay, so let us measure if this is 6 centimeters. Okay, it's correct, 6 centimeters. The other one, okay, 6 centimeters. This one, 6 centimeters, and this one is also a 6 centimeters. And now this is our pentagon, regular pentagon. Construct a regular hexagon with 6 centimeters as the length of its side. Okay, the first thing that you are going to do, draw a line segment AB with 6 centimeters in length. Again, label it as A and this one is B. Next, draw an angle in both A and B. So place your protractor. Okay, so locate the 120 degrees in red label. Okay, so this one. Okay, And then connect to form your side. Same with point B. To draw the other side, locate the 120. Then draw again the side. Next, with the use of your compass, okay, so same 60 in length. Draw a mark. This one, draw an arc also. Okay, label this as C and this one as D. Okay, so from this intersection, let us draw again the side of your hexagon. So again, pointing in 0. Okay, then look for 120 degrees. Then again, connect the sides. Okay, and this one, to make again the other sides. So locate again the 120 degrees. Connect again. And now, the last side of your hexagon. Okay, and now here is our regular hexagon. Okay, let us end our discussion with a math thought. Go down deep enough into anything and you will find mathematics by Dean's Culture. Thank you for watching and please support Ma'am Des Math Tutorials. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!